to the left in order to turn the helicopter around in the vertical axis. To fly the helicopter on the same path on the way up as they do on the way down. The descent towards the audience and slow the helicopter down, and we'll climb vertically, turning around the roll axis. Applying full power, they climb vertically, and in a screwdriver motion, they move the helicopter around the vertical axis, just to stop at about 300 meters and go into a speed dive. This will give you the impression of the helicopter flying a loop. High speed flyby and a vertical climb towards the next figure. A couple of minutes ago we had the figure called screwdriver up. Fabio is now positioning the helicopter for another screwdriver, this time downwards. He stabilizes the helicopter at about 600 meters, shoots some flares, goes into a vertical dive, turns the helicopter 360 degrees around its own axis. Zauważcie Państwo, jak szeroki rozstaw ramion ma pilot. Lewa ręka wystaje z lewej strony, prawa z prawej. Jak on to robi?